So in this video we will going to talk about the types of biofuel. There are various kind of biofuel: bioethanol, biodiesel, biogas. We will going to talk about these three in separate videos. So I am not talking about those things here. We will going to talk about here biobutanol. Okay. So biobutanol, it is an example of third generation biofuel, and it is produced by the same procedure that we are using for the production of bioethanol. Okay, that means the fermentation of starch. Okay, the energy content in butanol is the high amount as compared to other gasoline alternatives. Okay, and it can be added to diesel to reduce the emission. That means it have the ability to reduce the greenhouse gas. So we can, so not sorry, by adding or by mixing butanol with diesel, we can reduce the amount of greenhouse emission that diesel used to emit. Okay, here the diesel is the main culprit who is emitting a high amount of greenhouse gas. So by mixing biobutanol and diesel, we can reduce the amount of greenhouse gas emission, and those biobutanol things can be used as a solvent in textile industries and as a base in perfumes. Okay, so that is the biobutanol, where in biobutanol we are using biobutanol for the production of a mixture containing biodiesel, and this mixture will reduce the emission of the greenhouse gas. Not only that, it can be used as a solvent in textile industry and as a base in perfumes. Okay, and we are producing biobutanol by the same procedure that we have used for the production of bioethanol, that is the fermentation of starch. Now let's talk about the biohydrogen. Biohydrogen is another kind of biofuel. We are producing biohydrogen with the help of number of processes such as pyrolysis, gasification, biological fermentation, and it can be the most preferred alternative of the fossil fuel. Very important for MCQ purpose. Which type of biofuel is very preferred alternative of fossil fuel? So your answer should be biohydrogen. So that was the topic for types of biofuel. We will going to discuss about bioethanol, biodiesel and biogas in separate videos. So we will talk about those things there. And in biobutanol, here we have talked about biobutanol have a high energy content, and it is having the highest energy as compared to other gasoline alternatives, and it can be added to diesel to reduce the greenhouse gas emission, and it serves as a solvent in textile industries and used as a base in perfume industries. And in biohydrogen, which is another kind of biofuel and most preferred choice as an alternative for fossil fuel, and they can be produced by pyrolysis, gasification and biological fermentation. Okay, so in the next video we will going to talk about the application of the biofuel.